From generic file browsing to looking up references and accessing details, the improved performance of SOLIDWORKS PDM 2020 makes your day-to-day experience more efficient. When you access files and folders, data is now loaded asynchronously. This means you do not have to wait for the file contents to load before you can browse into a subfolder. This also means that you can toggle between the Bill of Materials, Contains, and Where Used tabs without delay. Details continue to load in the background and are cached until you move on to another file. Not only do you have more browsing flexibility, but the improved communication between you and the PDM server delivers a faster experience overall. This is also seen with the SOLIDWORKS CAD add-in. Similar to File Explorer, data in the task pane loads in the background so you can get to work right away. On-demand actions like the file tree refresh is now accelerated, and the user interface instantly updates based on your file selection. This is especially powerful when you have a high-latency connection to the PDM server, allowing you and your coworkers to easily stay on task. The increased performance of SOLIDWORKS PDM 2020 makes your day-to-day use faster than ever before.